On the day when India is playing Pakistan, but here you can see the crowd in the queue. Yes, not India Pakistan, but Mohun Bagan playing Odisha FC. This is not India Pakistan match. You can see the maroon and green. Even ladies are here. They are watching with Indian flag. As all you know, Mohun Bagan is the national club of India. And you see people are buying jerseys. They are standing in that queue. This is just 5:30, 2 hours before the match. Yes, you cannot beat football. Football is the most lovable game in this part of the country. Even in Kerala, you can see the mufflers and the t-shirts. People are standing. This is one gate. There are many gates. You can see people are standing in the queue with ladies, gents, everyone. And you can see a lady that in blue shirt. As all you know, Mohun Bagan, if they win today, they need just 3 points to bag the league state title of the ISL. And this is a big, huge crowd here. And as all you know, this is a huge stadium which can accommodate 1,32,000 people. And in one of the match during 90s when East Bengal played Mohun Bagan here, 1,32,000, and see that even a child along with his father. You can see the children here. So in that match, 1,32,000 people were standing there, and you see Mohun Bagan supporters, all marrying one-sided supporter. If you compare with Sharjah or Dubai, there you would find supporters from India and Pakistan, but here you will hardly find any supporter from Odisha FC, which is playing today in this match. And you can see the crowd, the biggest crowd, more than a cricket crowd. As you know, only 63,000 tickets were sold. And even you can see this is Salt Lake Stadium in Kolkata, known as Yuva Bharati Krirangan. As you know, the ladies, yes, you can see Joy Mohun Bagan. Standing here. Yes, the ladies are here. All supporters here. This is the gate, and you can see the stadium behind. So, comparing to cricket, this is a huge crowd here for Mohun Bagan, the one-sided team, whereas in Dubai, which is being played today, the vital match between India and Pakistan in the Champions Trophy, there are two teams, two countries, and most of the people residing in Dubai, and everybody has gone to Dubai. But here in football matches, you can find so many people. Now the gate has been opened. Yes, people are being checked. They are being checked with all bottles, and they won't be allowed to take water bottles inside. And see the crowd, people are going slowly and steady, and they are coming through trucks, bikes, everything. You can see this is a huge crowd here. Yes, sir. Mohan Bagan, green and maroon all the way. This is one gate, gate number 3 of the Salt Lake Stadium. Swami Vivekananda Krirangan, named after Swami Vivekananda. Recently his speech was being against. What a moment here. We are at the brink of winning the League 2 title. As all you know, children, all ages, from all ages they are here. Yes, see us, the line, huge line just for one gate. There are 5 gates also. And you can see football is more popular than cricket. Though India doesn't play football in the World Cup, they had one option to play in the World Cup. And you can see the green and maroon all over the ground, and there are announcements being made. As all you know, Mohan Bagan will play against Odisha FC, and I would be getting inside. It's a long walk from here, and you can see, yes, crowd is going, and today India and Pakistan are playing cricket at Dubai, the most vital match. But in spite of that, you can see they are ignorant what is going on there. Rohit Sharma, but they are more happy if Jason Cummings scores the goal or Jamie McLaren gets the pass from his captain Subhashish Bose. So it's a very vital match today. Not very vital because Mohan Bagan had more matches to go, and they are in the Super 6 already, and they can have league field. And this is the mood here with Indian flags, tricolors, and green and maroon. As all you know, Mohan Bagan won the IFA Shield in 1911, beating an English side, Royal Warwickshire, 2-1. Reverend Sunil Chatterjee, as all you know, 1911, Mountain Sporting was the first team to win the league, beating all the top sides of the world. People are walking, as all you know. This is a huge stadium.